How to activate chat heads in Messenger. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings and then search for display over other apps. Click on display over other apps and here you will see that one. Click on that and then look for Messenger. Now here on Messenger, all you have to do is to allow the display over other apps here. So toggle that on. Then let's go back here to our Messenger. And then on the upper left, you will see the three dash lines there. Click on that and go to the settings option. Now there, scroll down up until you see chat heads there. And make sure to toggle that on. And then basically if someone will chat you, as you can see, we now already have the chat head, and then we have already activated the chat head option in Messenger. And basically that is it, and that is how you activate chat heads in Messenger, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.